recording me now, girl.
I did to Lisa boys. It's funny.
Oi.
Right, change down gear. Let's put some power down.
I didn't catch her very
That's
good.
why you was looking at you every
I know, I just put my hand on it. I was shy. Let's get ready for the power again, is it?
When?
Well, after this car.
What the fuck? It's funny on camera.
So here we are in part 2 doing a documentary.
You're like Lisa.
We are coming up to Russell Fisher. Well, I'm going to feed my children a chip and a tea. A chip. What would the boys like to eat?
£10,000.
We go to Spoons, we'll have a vodka, we'll have a cider and we have a whiskey.
Vodka!
What? I thought you said I've heard that.
Oh, you would like that.
Come on,
That's
Dad.
whiskey, Jack Daniels.
That's Charlie's and Tommy's bungalow, and that's Charlie's and Thingy's house.
Driving in my car. It's a magic
And he goes on
melody you
business.
are.
You go business though.
Yes.
Charlie one.
No.
He went,
Yeah. That's what they mean.
What's wrong with your face?
They're millionaires.
Hi.
Right there, they're millionaires.
We just run 4 people over. Granny
That's
points.
5 now.
10 points for it in the biddy.
10 points for it in the biddy.
20 points in Callum.
Yay! Oh no, I'm with that. I have like 10.
What about it and the baby, Dad?
Oh, 100,000.
Well, that's quite sad though.
It's done.
Turn the camera off. I really want to pick my nose.
Tash will pick it for you.
Oh, Carl, it's disgusting and disturbing. You disturb.
It's show business then, it's show business. She's gonna put this on YouTube.
I ain't gonna put this on YouTube.
Because my voice is loud.
And here we are driving up Beaufort Hill.
This is Beaufort.
Video me, video you.
Oh, Dad.
Tash, yeah.
Get it.
Yes, Tash. It's so beautiful.
Oh, Carl, shut up.
Do a crash scene, Tash.
I don't give a shit.
Callum, I was laughing and then you were laughing over me, so it sounded like that was me laughing.
Oh, well, I'd be a laughing person now.
Okay, you don't like
It's something not fair.
I have to walk up here tomorrow.
Wait, a fish.
Why? Stupid school.
His stream is 21 minutes long. Seconds long.
I copied Dylan's voice.
Tash, you
so it
just
sounds
said
like
it's
me
3
talk.
minutes and 21 minutes long.
Talk now.
Can I give me a blue?
Didn't talk.
So, the weather is like today, sunny, and you got fucking zombie, dude.
That's face. So where did that come from?
I don't know, it's about to come up.